Hi, Jim Pollard reporting for the Oberon Company. I'm here in front of the Oberon's new Arc Blanket Cube. This product has many different applications, one of which is to establish an electrical safety zone in a public space, perhaps a hospital, a school, or a university, where electrical work is being done in the vicinity of the public. This way we can prevent the public from entering the space. This actually is made of arc protective blankets, so it actually contain the arc flash or divert the arc flash. So on the other side, it's 100% safe. Wonderful thing is that we can hang signage on the back that will say danger, electrical work, qualified personnel only. This is a portable structure, so it's going to solve that problem of what to do in a public space where workers are wearing arc flash suits and you still have access from the public. So this is Jim Pollard reporting on another Oberon innovation. Thank you.